Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to retopologize the nose. So this shape is far more complex than the eye. So we would mark all of the edges and the creases in this more focused section of the face. There are a few edges running down the bridge of the nose and some creases around the nostrils that we have not marked as well. These are marked as shown here. You can follow long tutorial to understand what I mean. Notice how the number of vertices mostly line up with the edges next to them that were there previously. It is helpful to think ahead when laying out these edges because we are likely going to join them to the neighbor edges. With our new edges laid out, we can start placing our faces. First, we'll start with the faces around the nose. Like this, you have to draw all the faces surrounding the nostrils, neighboring to the nostrils. With those lips done, we can work our way back to the bridge of the nose. All we have to do is to join the edges that we have together, just like we did with the eyes when you get back to the bridge of the nose. This will look like this. So one big thing to notice here is the loop going around the nostrils, because the nose is an extrusion from the relatively flat face. It should have a loop going around. It's just like our examples. When we extruded a face from a plane, you can see two loops next to each other. So now we can do the same thing with the bridge of the nose, connecting all of the edges to form clean grid like this. And the topology should be uniform and should follow all the rules of the topology that I have talked about, deformation topology and the other rules. With that done, you can run loop cuts, draw all of the faces, and find all follow our topology rules. Also, you should take in consideration a lot of rules and respect all the deformation and twisting topology rules and the fundamentals of the topology that I have talked about in previous tutorials. You can check them out if you want. I will leave a link in description if you are interested in studying topology and understanding how to make everything in Blender properly. So, as you can see here in our tutorial, we have created all faces surrounding the nostrils and the nose, and later I'm going to join all the sections retopologized, like the nose, the face, as you can see in the next new tutorials about retopology. I think this is so useful if you are interested in retopologizing manually, or you can use a lot of other add-ons that I have talked about. I talked about the quad remeasure add-on. It's amazing add-on for fast, quick retopology.